Step into a meticulously curated suburban oasis where nature's artistry comes to life. This vibrant garden, nestled in front of a charming house with brown brick walls and large welcoming windows, offers a delightful blend of evergreens and colorful foliage, creating an enchanting tableau that harmoniously balances texture and hue. At the forefront of this picturesque scene, conical evergreens like blue spruces and white firs stand proud, their dense textured foliage providing a striking foundation for the garden. These majestic plants are beautifully complemented by spherical shrubs adorned with silvery leaves, which add a touch of elegance to the composition. Additionally, clusters of reddish-brown ornamental grasses sway gently in the breeze, introducing warmth and inviting depth to the ensemble. To the right, a small, vibrant green plant with long, narrow leaves injects a burst of contrast, showcasing the garden's commitment to diversity and visual intrigue. Encased in a neatly edged bed of light brown mulch, this thriving arrangement is framed by a narrow, beige concrete pathway that winds gracefully toward the house, inviting visitors to explore. In the background, tall, slender evergreens rise majestically, flanked by a dense forest of mature trees that creates a serene backdrop. The lawn, a rich expanse of perfectly manicured green, further enhances the garden's tranquil ambience, while the symmetrical layout ensures a sense of order and balance. Captured in bright, natural light on a sunny day, this vibrant suburban garden exemplifies the art of landscaping, where thoughtful design and a keen eye for detail come together to celebrate the beauty of nature's palette. Join us on this virtual tour to immerse yourself in a world of perfectly balanced evergreens and colorful foliage, a true testament to suburban gardening excellence.